Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to order a new Capital One card. So whether you've lost your card or damaged, if you just need a replacement, here's how you do this guys, step by step. So first things first, we need to do of course is log into your account. So you open the Capital One mobile app or visit the Capital One website and just enter your username and password to log in. Then what you want to do guys is you want to go ahead to the account settings, right? In the app you want to tap on the menu or profile icon and just select account services and find the option for replace card. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and choose the specific credit or debit card for which you want to order a replacement. Then just go ahead and confirm if your card has been lost. Okay, so just choose the specific card or debit card for which you want to order a replacement, and then just indicate whether your card has been lost, stolen, or damaged. And if it's lost or stolen, your card will be deactivated and a new one will be issued automatically, guys. Okay, then you want to go ahead and confirm your request. So you want to review your information, including your mailing address. Okay, go ahead and do that and then submit your request. And Capital One will basically ship the new card to your address. And then what you need to lastly do is track your card, right? So you'll receive an email or app notification with tracking details once your new card is shipped. And that's it, guys. Your replacement, Capital One card will arrive within a few business days. So I hope this guy provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.